Hi, I'm Sam Olivier, and today I'll be giving you guys a quick briefing regarding the company laptop selection process and what I believe should be the recommended course of action. To state my purpose is to gain approval from the CEO and senior executives for the recommended course of action for the decision of new company laptops for our employees. Our situation is the company needs an upgrade from laptops that were last bought 10 years ago. The laptops still run okay, but we believe that in order to compete with our competitors and produce a higher and more efficient rate of work production, we need to improve our laptop quality. Laptops are critical for our job duties. Whenever we're not in office, we do rely on these laptops to complete these job responsibilities. So in order to complete them at a high and efficient rate, we need to have high quality laptops. There are multiple laptop options that we have compiled as a committee. We will review these laptop options as we go on with this presentation. Our problem statement is which laptop should the company buy for its employees. Our selection criteria, number one, it has to be reliable. This means it has to have high processing speed, lasting battery life, and a high storage capacity. So we believe that all those qualities all produce a good quality computer. So the higher the quality, the more reliable work we are going to produce as employees. Number two, it has to be low cost. We understand our company has a budget. We do not want to harm that budget at all by buying expensive laptops. We want to buy good quality laptops at an affordable rate. So our evaluation criteria will be processing speed, storage, battery life, and cost. So here we have the list of alternatives that we have compiled as employees. We have the MacBook Pro, we have the Dell Inspiron 157,000, we have the Lenovo P52, and the HP Envy. We have compiled a data table regarding the qualities that we felt were important for a good quality laptop. So we have the processing speed, storage, battery life, and cost. A few highlights about this data table. The MacBook Pro, it has the highest processing speed, but it also has the highest cost. The Dell Inspiron has the highest battery life, but it also has the lowest cost. The Lenovo P52, it has the lowest battery life, but it has the highest storage. HP Envy has the highest storage, but the lowest battery life and lowest processing speed. So our evaluation of our alternatives are basically, we compiled it into a ranking system. For processing speed, storage, and battery life, if it had the highest for that category, it received a 1. If it had the lowest for that category, it had a number 4, and so on. For cost, if it had the highest cost, it received the 4. If it had the lowest cost, it received the 1. So from that, we compiled a total from those evaluation criteria. So basically, you have the lowest score. That's what we believe should be the recommended course of action. And as you can see, the Dell Inspiron 157,000 received the lowest score from its competitors. Some pros about this laptop are it has excellent processing speed, has the longest battery life, and the lowest cost. A con is it did have the low storage compared to the other alternatives, but we believe the pros heavily outweigh the cons. So that is why we believe our company should purchase the Dell Inspiron 7000 for the new company laptops. We believe that with the purchase of this laptop, we will produce a higher and more efficient rate of work production and will lead to our company's success. Any questions? Thank you.